Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 18. Tell me again in detail, O Janardana, of your yoga power and immanent glory, for I do not feel satisfied by hearing your life-giving and so nectar-like speech.
Chapter 10, Shloka 18. Vistarenatmano yogam vibhudincha janardana bhuyah kathaya triptirhi shrunvato nasti me mritam.
Chapter 10, Shloka 18. Explaining again precisely what he wants Krishna to explain, Arjuna makes it clear that even if the answer be lengthy, he will not be tired of listening to and understanding them all. The progress in the path of spiritual knowledge is reserved for those who not only have thirst for the knowledge but get the knowledge, appreciate it, digest it, assimilate it, and live it intensely, as this is the subjective knowledge. From Arjuna's words, I am not satisfied with listening to the nectar-like words. It can be concluded that he is thirsty and a fit student for knowing the self. This condition of the mind is different from when a seeker is enchanted in the presence of a true teacher during discourses on the truth in a satsang, an association of like-minded truth seekers where the experience is short-lived but a good starting point. This kind of condition of temporary enchantment can be addictive, as it is a means and should be given up in pursuit of the goal seriously, to experience the everlasting self, his own true nature. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.